I extend a warm welcome to all of you to the First Time Business Clinic. In today's class, we discuss where you should start your business. The details follows. Before that, let's go back. In the first class, what discussion we had was what business to start with, types of business means what, all these things. And even in the second class, second chapter, we discussed about identify the right business to start with. Once you identify the right business to start with from types of business, I have very clearly told you 20 self questions. You prepare the chart with the self question, 20 self questions, self qualities that which you should have. You just cross verify, tick mark whether you have those qualities. Okay. Now, once you identify the right business to start with in comparison with your abilities and talents, we should enter into the third chapter. Okay, so I'm Anthony Matthews. I welcome all of you. In this chapter where we very closely discuss with where we should start our businesses. First Time Business Clinic, trusted by many, tested by time. Time changes but not FRBC values. And FRBC mainly concentrate to the business beginners. They are in total darkness. Can I start a business? If so, which business? Where to start? Basically, what are the type of business? All these questions they have. So basically, business beginners community, you have made a right choice. Now, where to start your business? In this chapter, I explain basically 20 simple steps to identify the location of business. Now, directly you see location should be in an accessible area. I think you understand. Location should be in a place where customers can find you very easily. And availability of raw materials should be very easily available. In fourth point, location should be in a convenient place where customer can access. Location can also influence your business, you remember. Your location plays a major role. Now coming to the sixth point, it matters for marketing. Remember that. Seventh point, total cost of operation is related to your location. A lot of foot traffic, basically a lot of people moving around. Your location should be in that. That is depending on your business that you start with. Big impact on cost and revenues. Your location can very much impact into that. And your business success also related to your location up to an extent. Workers, transportation, material, all these things, your location matters. And remember, most of the people will tell, see the address, the location is your addresses. Again, geographical influences, safety and waste disposal, raw materials and transportation cost. Location plays major role. growing consumer base. Your location, remember when you start your business is whether you have this particular location, government provides any incentives or not, check with. Directly affects its market price, remote area or particular area where you start, it is related to that. And location plays a major role in socio-economic level, remember. Lastly but not the least, availability of fresh water and power your location should have. Remember, there are a lot of competition, so all these 20 important points you consider. Once, where you start with your business, where to start with when you decide, remember all these 20 points. Now coming to the conclusion when very fast, remember first time business clinic main motto for the beginners, business beginners. Now, where to start business we have covered in this particular class. Remember always self-evaluating points. 20 points we have discussed in the earlier. Study basic introductory points. What is that? Business means what? Know that. Have thorough knowledge about the business, what you want to start with. Remember, business is not a child play, it's a very professional activity. So I am Anthony Matthew for FRBC signing off. Thank you very much.